Hi all, let's see extension method in C Sharp. Extension methods means additional methods. Extension methods allows you to add additional methods without modifying or deriving the original class. That is, here created a sample console application. Inside this program class, created two methods, test A and test B. We can add more methods to this program class using extension method without modifying this program class file. Let's create an extension method to this program class. Before that, you should remember extension method should be static method and should be defined in static class. The first parameter of the extension method will be the type that is extended, and this modifier should apply to the first parameter. Here created my extension class file. Let's open. Here I'm going to change the namespace name. You can also use same namespace, but I want to show you how to import the namespace which containing the extension method to other class or app. For that, I'm going to change the namespace name. Let's create a class. Note, our extension method should define inside static class only. So making this class as static. Let's create a function inside that. Our extension method should be static function, and the first parameter of the extension method will be the type that is extended, and this modifier should apply to the first parameter. So this keyword we are going to make extension method for this class type. So the class name and object. Let's invoke this extension method in program class. For that, we have to import the namespace first, then create an object for program class, then object dot. When calling the method, you can see special symbol in IntelliSense for extension method. Let's invoke all the methods. You can also pass argument to this extension method as second parameter, but the first parameter should be the type that is extended, and this modifier should apply to the first parameter. Then only the compiler will consider this as extension method, otherwise it will consider as normal method. Let's pass as argument as second parameter. A normal and extension method invoked successfully. Here we created extension method for type class. We can also create extension method for data type also, int, float, string, etc. Let's create an extension method for int type. Here I just check the current integer variable value is greater than passing argument value or not. If it is, then return true, otherwise false. We can access this extension method to all integer variable. Let's see. Let's create an integer variable. Assigning value as 50, created boolean variable, result, and accessing that integer variable and keeping dot operator. You can see our extension method in IntelliSense. So all the integer variable, you can access this int type extension method. Like this, you can create string type, double type, etc. In the result, let's see. Here by extension method return the value successfully. So by using extension method, you can add a new method for an existing type without modifying the original type. Even if the class is sealed, we can create an extension method for that. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.